Hey everyone, I have the big Jambox here. I wanted to give you an idea of what this would sound like. You might have seen some of my other videos, but I wanted you to see what it would sound like. Maybe if you're on a campfire. We had one last night. We had it. It was great. But I wanted to do it while it's during the day here. I had the volume all the way up on it, so it's its loudest. So just get an idea as I walk back here as far as how loud it can be. So it's just some techno, whatever. So anyway, here we go. So I'm probably about like 20 feet away right now from it, and all the way back here. You can definitely hear, has good sound out of it, even from all the way back here. So it's great for parties, campfires, just outside, inside, anything. Like you can hear from really far away. And that, definitely pumps out more sound than the new mini Jambox or anything like that. So you might not be able to hear it as well while I'm out here. So I don't want to trip while I'm backing up here, but just so to give you an idea, as far as how back I am. You can probably still hear it. And the thing has really good bass. That's one thing about playing techno like this right now is it shows the bass as well. I'm pretty far away now. And obviously there's probably some way, like some app maybe, that can turn up the volume even farther than what's on the phone. Because I have this, there's two ways you can turn it up even farther, is from the phone and from the device itself. There's a plus sign on it that you just turn really up, but it's already at its max on the device and the phone. But of course, I'm sure they do that so you don't blow out the speakers on the Jambox. But I have other videos, and like when I was in my apartment before, so like it gives you an idea. It's like crystal clear. It's pretty loud. What would be nice is if like you could actually connect two Jambox speakers to one phone or one computer and have the same song coming out of both speakers, so that we can have two set up in two different spots and get yourself immersed in that sound. So great for if you want to go crazy, dance around the fire or whatever. So as I go closer to here, you can hear it. I was only over there at the second row of trees there, even like a little bit farther back, maybe like 5 feet away, farther back than that. That's pretty far away. And if you're just right here, you can really hear it. Obviously, you might not have that loud because, people want to talk to each other and hear each other, but it's a great idea. Well, there you have it. Alright. Well, hope you enjoyed, and make sure to subscribe.